What's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to do the initial setup of a BlackBerry KEY2, what to expect, and I'm going to give you that feeling like you have the phone, so you're going to see exactly what the run through is. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so we're going to hit the start menu there, and we have the hide there, and if you want to set up as a backup, you could do that as well, or if you want to have a fresh start, you could do that as well. So I'm going to set up my Wi-Fi real quick. I'm going to be right back. Okay, so I just put in my Wi-Fi password, and now it's checking to see. What I can honestly say about the device is that it's a really nice design. I'm definitely feeling that. The screen's a little bit too small, but I have to really get used to this, and I can't really call this a device that's for entertainment purposes. So now I'm going to skip the Gmail process, skip everything, put my name in, and if you want to add a fingerprint, you can do that as well. I will have a video on that coming up next, guys. If you want to set your screen lock, you can do that as well. And you could go back to it later if you want to. So you have your Google services, and if you want to add another email, or if you want to add an app that you actually want to take off. So there's a lot of Google apps and the BlackBerry apps, and you're able to actually take that off if you don't want to add it. So you could take this off. Google Slides, I don't use that either. Google Sheets, hit OK, and you're done for now. So the phone is really nice, guys. I'm definitely digging the style of it. It's totally different than what you see from like a lot of other phones right now. So we have the EULA agreement, okay. We have your policy, include my location, no thank you. And we have the insider program, which is basically, it's like a BlackBerry thing, and if you want to join in, you can, and you have to add your email address. Big shout out to the motorcycle passing by. You can hit the not for now. If you want to do your diagnostics, you can do that as well in case anything happens. So now the setup is complete, and you have the BlackBerry app logo. If you want to learn more, you can check that out as well. So here is the first screen that you get. It's basically telling you that, you say how you're using the BlackBerry launcher. Just hit next there. And if you want to check your apps, and if you want to check the sides, you could do like a little tab for productivity. Basically a bunch of different stuff if you want to add. It's almost like the Samsung one. Access your contacts, do that later, and all that goody stuff here. So I can tell you right off the bat, I'm definitely digging the keys. I did have a lot of BlackBerries in my lifetime. I had a BlackBerry Curve, I had a BlackBerry Bold, I had a BlackBerry Priv actually 2 years ago. I was definitely digging the Priv style, but the keys were just too small and too clunky and too close together. These have a little bit of space, and I'm definitely digging that so far. So here's the main screen you get, guys. I'm just gonna show you everything here. So you have your DTech security, and you have your BlackBerry World is actually here right now. So you have to hit that, and it's gonna show you everything. It's like a hub now, so you could have all your messages and all your app messages all in one, which is pretty dope. That's about all for that. So let's see all the apps that you get on the phone itself. Basically a lot of Google stuff and a lot of BlackBerry stuff. So let's head into your storage and see how much storage is being used out the box. So out the box, it's using 11.58 gigs of storage, and available it's 52.45. That's about it basically. So I'm gonna do the drop down screen real quick for you guys. Well, let's just do the keyboard really quick. Let's see. My name is Alan, and you could actually use the little words that suggest for you from Phone Tech at Work team. How do you go back? So you hit the back button there. Team 100. Let's do the emojis. So you get the symbols there, or if you hit that little button there, you can add like a bunch of shortcuts. But if you want to add emojis, you hit this little part right over here for emojis. Tap that, and you can see your emoji setup right over here. Alright, let's get back into where do you guys want to go next. I can show you the screen. Does have Wi-Fi calling. I know I saw something about Wi-Fi calling here. Wi-Fi calling is not ready, and you're able to enable it if you want to. And that's about it, guys, for the initial setup of the BlackBerry KEY2. I will have a video with some tips and tricks if you guys are interested in that. Let me know down in the comments below. This is the BlackBerry KEY2. Big shout out to the headphone jack, and big shout out to everyone who's watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the BlackBerry KEY2 and more tech to come. So, to the next video, guys. Peace.